Hey, Ron Ananian, the car doctor. I'm in the shop today. Danny and I are working on this 2013 Hyundai Tucson. So we've got a problem with the left rear wheel speed sensor, erratic performance. Now, in order to get the sensor out to verify, it got destroyed. So there's a new sensor in it. We figured, what the heck, let's roll the dice and put a sensor in it. We did some other testing, which pointed to the sensor, erratic performance. We could see it on a scope line, but the hole is not open, and we couldn't figure that out. So we pulled the bearing out, and let's see what happens here. And there you go. That's why it was erratic signal, because the inside of this, whatever that is, that piece of debris, which I'm guessing came off of what's left of the wheel bearing. All right, there's the tone wheel for the wheel bearing, just disintegrated, and yeah, no good. So we'll put this back together. We'll get a new wheel bearing in this car, and for example, for knowledge's sake, there's what a good wheel bearing looks like versus the old one. So a little bit of a toughie, just following some common sense. You know, we knew there had to be a hole in there, and sure enough, there is. Just something was plugging it. So anyway, just thought you'd like to see it. Some of the odd things that happen in the shop. I'm Ron Ananian, the car doctor. Danny, say hi. There he is, folks. And we'll both see you guys on radio. Take care.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian, the car doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.